Hello, welcome to our channel. So on this very video, we are about to give you guys a very strong strategy. This is a very powerful strategy. A lot of guys are making use of this strategy. So this strategy, I learned this strategy from my master, the person I learned trading from my mentor. He has been using this strategy for a long time to make money, and I think I felt it's very necessary I share with you guys for the love, for the support. So without wasting our time here, I think we should move to business immediately. Oh, please, if you are new on our channel, kindly do well by hitting the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel, please. You can see this is a very simple strategy we've been using for quite a long time now. It has been paying off. Very simple. Just need 3 moving averages. You can use your stochastic oscillator to accompany, right, to support the strategy, right? Yes, I'll tell you guys how you combine the stochastic oscillator to have good results, right? Let me tell you how it works really. Bring my tool here. Yes, this is how it works. You always wait for you can see the blue, you can see the red line, you see the blue line, and you see the green line. Now this green line serves as it tells you if a trend is an uptrend or downtrend, if you are in an uptrend or downtrend, right? Wherever the green moving average is below the current market, it means we are in an uptrend. But if it's above, if it's above the wave, above here, you know that's signals that tells you we are in the downtrend. Okay, so whenever you see a red line crosses the blue line, this signals, this gives you a signal. For example, as you can see here, the red line just crossed the blue line. That signals a sell signal. That's a sell signal, right? Here again, you see as the red line crosses the blue line, the red line crossed the blue line. I don't mean you entered a buy position, you open a position here, you're being in good profits. You can see, boom, 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 you're making good profits. So whenever you see red line crossing the blue, you make a decision. So you made a decision here, so you'll be in profits. You see, so you see this, right? And these lines, the blue line exactly serves as kind of a trend line. Whenever you can see, whenever these lines, they serve as trend line, whenever market gets to that level, gets close to bounce, gets to the lines, it bounce off. Yes, market bounce off from the line. That shows how powerful this strategy is. Okay, so for your stochastic oscillator, this is how you combine stochastic oscillator with the moving averages. So now we enter, when immediately we see this break, whenever this blue and red line crosses the blue line, we enter here, right? We buy from here, we go long from here, from this level. then which means is where we go long. This is it. Okay, from here to this place, which is from here to this level, as you can see, how you can see, right? Which means from here to this level. Immediately, your stochastic, if you are a strong, if you are a scalper, it's this very strategy using this stochastic oscillator, it helps you scalp properly. So immediately you see markets getting to this level, let me call this a resistance level. When it gets to this level, that shows that the trend is likely to change at this level. It's likely to reverse at this level. Okay, then you can close the trade when it gets to this level. You understand? Immediately your trade gets to this level, you've closed the trade. Or if you don't want to scalp, you don't want to leave the trade, you can still hold the trade. You can still hold that position until you see the red line crosses the blue line. Then you can now leave the trade, just like what happened here. As you can see here, you see the red line crossing the blue line. Is when you get out of the market. But if you cannot hold, you just want to scalp with the strategy, then immediately gets to this level, you're out. Gets your profit and you're out. So it's down again. It's down again. You wait to this level, and immediately, as you can see this breakout. See the red line crossing the blue again. You're out from the market. You might have made profit, so much profit from here down to this level, and you're out from the market. So and buy at that level. That's the sweetest part of it. You buy at this level, and the market moves up again to this level and crosses here. Or you use this to make your decision. You close the trade immediately it touches this level, and yourself, you are safe, right? So that's the beauty about this strategy. If you go down, you see exactly what I'm saying. So this strategy, we use it on volatility index, right? We use it, use 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, or 1 hour time frame. This is a 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to an hour time frame. Here's the 1 hour. Okay, you see what happened here? See what happened here? So we buy from here, we go long from this at this level. We are still in profit. Just check that out. We're in profit. We're in profit to this level. So it's about to cross the blue line. Immediately cross the blue line, we make a decision. We sell. We go short at this level. If you go back, you see what I'm saying. This is a very strong strategy, very strong, very powerful strategy. You see this? The line just crossed. The red line just crossed the blue line, and we are in profit. So that's the strategy. Now let's move down to our settings. Okay, on the settings, we have 3 moving averages. Okay, and one moving averages. Here are the settings. I believe you can see. We have the period, which is 50. Shift is 0. The method is simple. Okay, then apply to low. Then the pixel should be 2 or even more, so that it will be obvious enough for you to see. It will be bold enough for you to see. Then the color for moving average 50 should be green. The color should be green. For 50, the color should be green. That's it. Then for the second moving average, we have the period 5, shift 0, method simple, then apply to low, then the color should be red. Okay, you move back to the last moving average, which is the 15 minutes. The period is 15, period 15, shift 0, method simple, then apply to low. Okay, and the color blue for 15, period 15, the color should be blue. Okay, that's it. That's for moving averages. Then we move to stochastic oscillator. Okay, on stochastic oscillator, we open, we don't change anything. You can see the K period is on default, D period is on default, which is 3, 5, and slowing is 3. Then price field should be close / close. The method linear is what we changed to linear. The method is what we changed to linear weights. Okay, then the color should be on default. We close. I hope you see that. Just to indicators 50, 5, and blue. Then our stock, we only change method to linear weights. Okay, so that's it. That's the strategy. So do well to drop a comment if you have any difficulty, or you have an idea, or you any feedback at all. Do well by dropping a comment for us, and also subscribe to the channel, because we are dropping the video. I promise you guys will be dropped in 2 days or less, and we'll be dropping analysis and strategies here, all the contents concerning trading will be dropping on this channel. So do well to subscribe, and make sure you keep your notification bell on, so as we're dropping videos, you'll be the first to view and learn from them. So use this strategy. Make sure you backtest it properly over and over again to know how it works. It's perfect. It's the best strategy in markets right now, and I've been using this strategy how to trade, and very soon we'll be using this strategy to go live for you guys to see how we use the strategy to double accounts, to triple accounts, to grow a small account, even as low as $10. So this is it. This is the strategy I've been using. Do well to backtest the strategy. If you don't understand, come over here again to watch the video, or you drop a comment, then we look into it. Thank you guys.